Japan's rise as a global power is a fascinating story that spans centuries, characterized by periods of isolation, rapid modernization, economic growth, and technological innovation. Let's delve into its past, present, and potential future trajectory. Past. Feudal Era, 1185–1868. Japan's history is often divided into distinct periods, with the feudal era being one of the most significant. During this time, Japan was ruled by a feudal system, under the authority of powerful warlords known as shoguns. This period saw the development of the samurai warrior class, and the codification of the Bushido Code. Japan remained relatively isolated from the rest of the world during this time, with limited contact with foreign nations. Meiji Restoration, 1868. The Meiji Restoration marked a pivotal moment in Japan's history. It was a period of rapid modernization and industrialization initiated by Emperor Meiji and his advisors. Japan underwent significant political, social, and economic reforms, including the abolishment of the feudal system, the introduction of a constitutional monarchy, and the adoption of Western technologies and institutions. This transformation laid the foundation for Japan's emergence as a modern nation-state. Imperial Expansion, late 19th, early 20th century, buoyed by its newfound industrial and military strength. Japan embarked on a period of imperial expansion in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. It annexed territories such as Taiwan and Korea and engaged in conflicts with China and Russia. Japan's victory in the Russo-Japanese War in 1905 established it as a formidable regional power. World War II and post-war reconstruction. Japan's aggressive expansionism culminated in its involvement in World War II, leading to its defeat in 1945. The country faced widespread devastation and occupation by Allied forces. However, Japan swiftly rebuilt its economy and society through the implementation of comprehensive reforms, aided by significant financial assistance from the United States. This period of rapid economic growth became known as the Japanese economic miracle. Present. Economic powerhouse. Japan has solidified its position as one of the world's leading economic powers. It boasts a highly advanced industrialized economy, with major contributions from automotive manufacturing, electronics, robotics, and high-tech exports. Japanese companies like Toyota, Sony, and Mitsubishi are globally recognized for their innovation and quality. Demographic challenges. Japan faces significant demographic challenges, including an aging population and low birth rates. The combination of a declining workforce and increasing elderly population strains social welfare systems and presents long-term economic concerns. Technological innovation. Japan continues to be at the forefront of technological innovation, particularly in fields like robotics, artificial intelligence, and renewable energy. The country's commitment to research and development ensures its competitiveness in the global market. Regional influence. Japan maintains strong diplomatic and economic ties with countries in the Asia-Pacific region and beyond. It plays a crucial role in regional security, particularly in its relationship with the United States and its efforts to counterbalance China's influence. Future. Economic reforms. Japan's future prosperity will depend on its ability to address structural challenges such as a shrinking workforce, bureaucratic inefficiencies, and corporate governance issues. Structural reforms aimed at promoting innovation, entrepreneurship, and workforce participation will be essential for sustaining long-term economic growth. Technological advancements. Japan will likely continue to lead in technological innovation, particularly in areas like robotics, automation, and sustainable energy. Investments in research and development will be crucial for maintaining its competitive edge in the global market. Global leadership. Japan has the potential to assume a greater leadership role on the world stage, particularly in addressing global challenges such as climate change, cybersecurity, and pandemic preparedness. Strengthening international partnerships and fostering multilateral cooperation will be key to realizing this potential. Regional dynamics. Japan's relations with its neighbors, particularly China and South Korea, will continue to shape regional dynamics in East Asia. Efforts to manage historical tensions and promote economic integration will be essential for maintaining stability and prosperity in the region. In summary, Japan's rise as a global power has been shaped by its rich history, rapid modernization, and technological prowess. While the country faces significant challenges, it also possesses the resilience and capacity to adapt, innovate, and thrive in an ever-changing global landscape.